Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Actually, more of an unzipping of a pouch. This is one of many items that came in probably the heaviest box of knives that has ever been delivered to my house. This came from Tools for Gents, by extension, Midgards Messer. It's obviously a large knife, one of the large knives that came in the box. I will do my best to link this down in the description, whatever it is. I don't know yet because I haven't opened it. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, what's funny is it wasn't anywhere near the heaviest thing that came in the box. This is a Midgards Messer knife. If you're not familiar with Midgards Messer, they like to have fun with designs. It might be really difficult to wrap your head around it for some of you. For most of you, no. But for some of you, the idea of a knife being made kind of for fun it's kind of difficult, according to my YouTube shorts where I show anything Midgards Messer. My goodness, the number of educators in the comment section in YouTube shorts, specifically when it comes to Midgards Messer knives. Wow. If you want to go lose some brain cells, go read the comments under my YouTube shorts. What in tarnation is this? Just exactly what I was talking about. My God, what is happening here? Look how they did that on the blade. Oh, this is a PMP collab? Jeez. Should we find out what a blade looks like? Oh, of course that's what it looks like. Good God, look at the polish on this. Wow. Oh man, I love Midgards Messer. I love Midgards Messer. It's like honestly, it's like Midgards Messer and PMP went and looked at all the comments under mine and other people's videos who cover these knives, and they're like, oh, okay, all right, well here, let's try again, and then sarcastically produce something like this. I love it when they do crazy stuff. Oh my gosh. This is what it's literally just a giant frame lock. Look at the polish on this blade. All right, hold on. Yeah, it's too big to be generally practical, right? Now you can put this in your pocket, sure, but let's take a moment here to appreciate the irony that is this beautiful polish. Look how good that looks. Oh man, what is happening? It's a semi-mirror polish. This is just wild. This is wild. What is this? What do we call this? Oh man, listen. The action is really smooth, dangerously smooth. Is this a front flipper? Oh God, technically, right? Probably the easiest way to open it. Whoop. All the detent's good though. There we go, man. Oh God. This Metal Complex guy is a terrible reviewer. All he does is just swing knives around and laugh. Yeah. Welcome to the show. What is the blade still? It's probably CPMD2, but maybe they'll surprise us. Boy, I have no idea. What is this? What is going on back here? I have absolutely no idea. This is why I like to do the unboxings blind. Can you technically flip? Oh, that's like a bear trap for your finger. I don't think you're supposed to do that. Because, no, there's not really a place for your finger. I think it'll just move your finger out of the way. But yeah, I guess you can. Boy, that choke up spot. This is the comfiest big knife that I've ever handled. So there is there's a bomb shelter door remover back here. That's great. Beautiful, beautiful, aggressive, monstrous Tanto blade. I honestly don't think this will fit in my overbuilt knife case. God, it's so refreshing to get something absurd. Listen, I love like regular utilitarian pocket knives, right? The stuff that I normally get from companies, and it's right like 40 to 60 bucks. Those are great. Those are great because they're affordable. They're utilitarian. They make sense to carry. If you break it or you lose it, no big deal, right? But man, nothing refreshes me more than a freaking cattywampus thunder dragon from outer space that just makes absolutely no sense. Speaking of things that don't make sense, let's measure the blade stock thickness. Because it's so big that it's throwing me off here. Oh, boy. Yeah, it's very nearly a quarter inch. Very nearly. Wowzers. I can't get over the fact that the finish on this blade is just wild. That is wild. So we have two little stops here, and they're attached to the blade. It is seriously, it's so smooth. I'm so worried I'm going to chop my fingers off. But yeah, we've got two stops attached to either side of the blade, and the lockout, oh, it's completely solid. Completely. Yeah. The frame lock. Look at the lock bar insert screws. Massive, massive fasteners. Oh my goodness. Midgards Messer, please, please never change. Never change. Keep keep collaborating with companies like PMP to make absolutely wild and ridiculous stuff. I love this. I find this type of stuff absolutely fascinating, and I think it's hilarious. And here's my promise to you. I will definitely upload a short of this with no context to YouTube and watch the comment section explode. I can't wait to do that. Let's test the edge on a piece of paper. Oh boy, it's actually, the factory edge is very sharp for sure. As one of the common educators will point out, you can sharpen anything. But behind the edge is thinner than I guess I would have expected. Boy, man, that is absurd. Well, let's measure it and then let's weigh it. Here, let me give you an example of it. Let's do a size comparison up against a knife that I consider to be pretty big. That's the Cold Steel 8010. Bloop. Oh, man, that thing is huge. Huge! There's a lot of that's what she said opportunities here. So give me timestamps of your favorites down in the comment section. Overall length is, well, to the butt end of the handle, it's 11.25 inches. To the, oh, this is a prototype. I just realized it says prototype down there. Oh, man. To the back of the bomb shelter door remover, it is almost 11.5 inches. The blade length is, I'm going to call that 5. And the cutting edge is also just about 5 inches. How much does it weigh? Here's the scale. Okay. Probably still not the heaviest knife. It's amazing how well tuned this is. Oh no. Is that the heaviest pocket knife? Good Lord. Wow, hold on. I gotta get out some of my really big ones here. So the biggest knives, I mean, I know that Midgards Messer makes a knife that's bigger, right? That giant Fenris. But as far as like knives that are still kind of close, so the Alpha Beast weighs 16.47 ounces. The Max Ace Vortex weighs 13.83 ounces. And the Max Ace Titan, I can't remember what that one's called. 13. Yeah, that is the heaviest folding knife that I have ever had on the channel that I think I could still fit in a pocket. Oh my gosh. I love it. Is there a way to, yeah, you can kind of
Man, just when I think I've seen it all. Oh, man. Please do this finish on everything. God, that is so cool. I love it. Wow. Wacky stuff, man. All right. It'll get a review. It'll get a review. I mean, I'll do my best to put it in my pocket and actually carry it. Yeah, I think you know what to expect from that. Anyways, I will link this. It's a prototype. I'll link any information I can down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.